Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sublime Text completely, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Sublime Text completely, first, ensure that the application is closed. Locate the Sublime Text application on your computer. If you're using Windows, go to the Control panel. Click on Programs and then Programs and Features. Find Sublime Text in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Sublime Text and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. Now, to remove leftover files, open File Explorer. Navigate to the App Data folder. You can access this by typing %appdata% in the address bar and hitting Enter. Look for the Sublime Text folder and delete it. Next, go to the local folder in the App Data directory. Find the Sublime Text folder there as well and delete it. For macOS users, open Finder. Go to the Applications folder. Locate Sublime Text and drag it to the trash. Empty the trash to complete the uninstallation. To remove additional files, open the Library folder. If you can't see it, hold the Option key and click Go in the Finder menu to reveal it. Navigate to Application Support within the library. Search for any Sublime Text folders and delete them. Check in caches as well for any related files. Having completed these steps, Sublime Text should be fully uninstalled from your system. Finally, reboot your computer to ensure all changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.